exactly 2 months from now, Delhi will go to the polls. It is the first time for your party. What are your expectations and what are your challenges?
We are getting 47 seats. Aam Aadmi Party is forming the government, and not just forming the government, they are forming the government with overwhelming majority.
So I have heard this from you, I think almost 3 months back. You've always said you're getting 47 seats. What is the basis for your confidence?
It is my sense. I am going all across Delhi. It is my sense, and I can tell you the names also because I'm traveling all across Delhi, and I can tell you each and every way what is our strength and what is our weakness.
What are your major challenges in this elections?
Uh, these elections will be fought on the basis of honesty versus corruption. BJP and Congress are corrupt. Aam Aadmi Party is an honest party. People are fed up of corruption. People are fed up of rising prices. This time they want to have an honest government. This time they want to have an honest politics, and people will vote for honest party.
What is your challenge, sir? What is that one thing that you have to overcome in order to, convert this support into seats and votes?
I don't think
There would be some challenges ahead of you.
I don't know. I don't think so.
What is the role do you think Mr. Narendra Modi is going to play in Delhi elections? He's already had a rally. Do you think if he has more rallies in Delhi, then he could swing the mood in favor of BJP in Delhi?
I don't think so because people can see that Mr. Modi is not going to become the Chief Minister of Delhi. If people vote for BJP, then Vijay Goyal will become the Chief Minister, and Vijay Goyal is a thoroughly corrupt man. He will leave Sheila Dikshit behind in terms of corruption within 4 days of forming the government. And people don't want to go from, वो कहते हैं ना आगे कुआं पीछे खाई. They don't want to do that. They want to have an honest government this time.
If it's a very hypothetical question, but if Mr. Narendra Modi were to be the Chief Minister of Delhi, then do you think BJP would have had a chance here?
Suppose if Shivraj Singh Chauhan were to be the Chief Minister of Delhi, or suppose Gehlot were supposed to be, these are all hypothetical.
I'll put that question in another way. Do you think that these elections will be a referendum on the leadership? Because your party is also going with your face. Congress party so far is going with the face of Sheila Dikshit. So is it ultimately a referendum on the leadership of each party?
I think it's going to be a referendum on corruption and honesty. So if these parties lose Delhi, then I think it will be a strong message to the politicians of this country that now people will not tolerate dishonesty and corruption.
My last question, Arvind. There's a campaign which is going on which says that overwhelmingly people of Delhi want you as the Chief Minister. That is your own internal survey. You're quoting your own internal survey to say that. So, given the eventuality of you winning, are we talking to the future Chief Minister of Delhi? Will you be the next Chief Minister of Delhi in case you win?
Believe me, when we all sit down in our party, we don't talk of minister, who will become the minister and who will become the chief minister. That's just not important for us.
But you have already made that promise. You are selling yourself as the Chief Minister of Delhi in your campaigns.
I'm not saying that. This is what the opinion polls are saying. I'm not saying it.
Your own opinion poll is also saying that, sir, that people in Delhi want to see you as the Chief Minister. So in case you win, will you become the Chief Minister of Delhi?
We will think about it. Once the the results are out on 8th December, then on 9th December we'll all sit down. We'll have some kind of public meetings in Delhi. Let's find out from the people who do they want.
How important are these elections for your role beyond Delhi?
These elections are not important for us. These elections are important for you. Because if we lose, then your future is at stake. What will you do? Same Sheila Dikshit, same Vijay Goyal, same corruption, same BJP, same Congress. Your future is at stake.